Welcome to Educatii. Today, we explore how artificial intelligence is transforming industries and affecting economic growth worldwide. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines and software that can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. AI is transforming various industries. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production lines and predicts maintenance needs. In healthcare, it helps diagnose diseases and develop personalized treatment. In finance, AI detects fraud and automates trading. Retailers use AI for customer service and personalized shopping experiences. AI is boosting economic growth by increasing productivity and efficiency. Businesses can produce more with less, leading to higher profits and economic expansion. AI also drives innovation, creating new products and services that stimulate economic activity. But AI also impacts the job market. While it automates repetitive tasks, it creates new job opportunities in AI development and maintenance. Workers need to adapt by learning new skills to stay relevant in the changing job market. Countries investing in AI technology become more competitive globally. Leading in AI can boost a country's economy, attract investments, and foster technological advancement. However, the rise of AI brings ethical considerations. It's crucial to ensure AI is used responsibly, protecting privacy and preventing biases in AI systems. Governments and companies must work together to create ethical guidelines for AI development and use. AI is reshaping our world, offering incredible opportunities and challenges. Stay informed with Educatii. Like, share, and subscribe for more economic insight.